Enhancing conversations, comparative explanations. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on answering questions with explanations. In today's episode, we're delving into comparative explanations. This is a highly useful tool in the English language that can make your answers more informative and engaging. Let's explore this together. Comparative explanations involve using comparison to make your points clearer. You might compare an unknown concept to a known one, or contrast two different ideas to highlight their differences. When you explain something by comparing it with something else, you make it easier for the listener to understand your perspective. When crafting a comparative explanation, you often use words like, similar to, as, than, or different from. For example, learning a new language is like building a house. You start with the foundation, then gradually add the walls and roof. My hometown is similar to New York in its bustling energy, but it's much smaller. There are two main ways to use comparative explanations: comparing similarities and comparing differences. When comparing similarities, you might say, playing chess is similar to playing checkers because both require strategic thinking. When comparing differences, you might say, unlike football, baseball games can continue for an indefinite time if the score is tied. Remember, the key to using comparative explanations effectively is to make sure the comparison is relevant and makes the concept clearer. Don't compare apples to spaceships, unless you have a very good reason. Let's practice. Consider these questions and try to form your comparative explanations. 1. How would you describe the taste of mango to someone who has never tried it? 2. How is driving a car different from riding a bicycle? Well, there you have it. The magic of comparative explanations. By using these techniques, you can make your English conversations more dynamic, insightful, and enjoyable. We hope you found this video useful. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master of comparative explanations in no time. Happy learning!